Hey, what's going on guys? My name's CJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken microwave handle. In this case, my daughter thought she was the hawk and broke it.
Whoa, cut.
Okay, I'm sorry. Somebody thought she was the hawk and broke it. So this is a Seasons microwave. The comparable brand is called Midea, and I went online and I found a new handle for about $42 from partswarehouse.com. So what we're gonna need to do after you have your handle is get a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you're gonna have to do is take the microwave door off. All right, so to take this off, you hold it with two hands, have the door open, and you're gonna lift up and you're gonna get it off the hinges of the corner. Lift up and then just kind of pull it out. And then we're gonna go ahead and place it right here on the counter. So now what we're gonna do is get our flathead and we're gonna lightly pry up the framing of the microwave on the inside of this. Just be careful, you don't want to break it. It's probably going to feel dirty because there's skunk in there. Just go all the way around, lightly prying it up. At this point you could probably just pull it up with your fingers, but again, just try to lightly pry it. Seems like it's just coming up with your hands at this point. Oh, came right off. So it's pretty easy to get off. All right, so now we need to get our Phillips head screwdriver and we're gonna unscrew the part to where the handle is connected. So we know this one's right here. That's simple. That's the one that's still connected. But the bottom one is the one that we need to get to as well, which is gonna be this one right here. So since the original has this broken off, this doesn't come off by hand, just trying to pull that off. So we do need to unscrew this. So lay it flat on the counter, get it to where it's flat like that. So you can hold this with your hand, that little stub that's broken. Your screwdriver here, and as you're holding that, unscrew this because that piece is still connected to it. But you can keep the screw in there, you don't have to take the screw out. And there's that little piece that broke off. Now I would recommend putting the new handle on with the door being flat. So keep it on the counter if you have a counter like this, and just turn it to where the screws can just lay down, and you're just gonna have to hold the new handle in place. All right, so it does matter which way you put this on. It looks like the part that has the bigger hole is gonna go on the bottom. This side, top side doesn't. This has to do with the weight. As you're pulling the door open, most of the weight is on the bottom of the handle. So I'm doing the top one first. Righty-tighty, and just tighten them both equally at the same time. Tighten it until you can't tighten no more, but do not over tighten it or you'll strip it. Okay, you can see I can't tighten it no more. I'm not gonna force it to go any further. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put that frame back on gently, line it up with the holes, the framing, and we're just gonna lightly press down and it should snap right in. Okay, that's fully in. Just push all the way around, make sure nothing is loose. And now we're gonna put the door back on, same way we took it off. When you do this, you're gonna line this up right here. There's a little bit of a notch here, you'll see it. One at the very top and one at the very bottom. See the top one and the bottom. So you're putting that onto the hole of the hinges here. So the post onto the hinges. So kind of put it on in an angle and do the same for the top. Make sure the posts are going in the hole, and then it should kind of sit right in there. Close the door, test it out, and there you go. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!